Breaking news from the United States. A sudden earthquake has rattled Knoxville, Tennessee, shaking the heart of the Southeast and sending shockwaves across multiple states. The quake, measured at magnitude 4.1, struck earlier today and was felt from South Carolina and Alabama to Kentucky, Georgia, and even as far as Virginia.
I think it's still moving. I can see that moving.
For millions across the region, the tremors came without warning, shaking homes, rattling windows, and sparking fear in cities unaccustomed to seismic activity.
看着大厅里的人迅速往外跑，平时坚硬的大地像水面一样波浪起伏，停在地上的汽车像飘在水面一样摇晃着。
But the story does not end with the ground shaking. Scientists are urgently warning that this earthquake could be a trigger for something far more dangerous, the threat of a megatsunami in the Atlantic basin. While rare undersea instability linked to the Appalachian Fault system and distant tectonic zones raises fears of a cascading event that could unleash walls of water against vulnerable coastlines.
Mom, there's an earthquake.
Authorities are closely monitoring offshore seismic sensors, with the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center and NOAA placing coastal regions under heightened alert.
Everything's okay. Everything's okay. We got out.
We're okay. No, we're in the middle of the street.
It's okay. No.
No, the trees, like, I barely can see.
The devastation such a wave could cause is almost unimaginable. Entire towns could be swallowed, highways torn apart, and critical infrastructure destroyed in minutes. Experts stress that even though today's quake was moderate, history has shown that small triggers can set off catastrophic chain reactions, especially when linked to undersea landslides or hidden volcanic activity. Emergency officials are not taking chances. Evacuation drills have been activated in select coastal areas, while the public is being urged to stay alert to all official warnings. In Knoxville and surrounding states, fear spread quickly as social media lit up with images and videos of swaying buildings, trembling ground, and panicked residents running into the streets. Viral footage captured ceiling lights swinging violently and books tumbling off shelves, a stark reminder that even a magnitude 4.1 quake can cause chaos when people are unprepared. The concern tonight is not only the shaking that has already occurred, but what may come next. Scientists say aftershocks remain possible across the Tennessee Valley, and if deeper tectonic shifts are confirmed, the risk of secondary disasters such as landslides, dam failures, or even tsunami generation becomes more real.
Oh, man.
The devastation is clear even in its potential, lives at risk, entire regions vulnerable, and communities bracing for a worst-case scenario.
Evacuated hill.
No, 30, 45, I have no sense of time.
Feels like, I would say 30 to 40 minutes seems fair.
From Tennessee to the Outer Banks, millions are watching closely, fearing what could happen if the waters rise.
That was the biggest earthquake I've ever felt in my life. But we're okay. Everybody's okay, right? Stay underneath the table. Everybody okay?
Breathe in.
Stay underneath the table.
All I can say is holy crap.
This is a developing story, and officials stress that vigilance and preparation are critical in the hours ahead.
10 miles north of Anchorage, near Point Mackenzie, at a depth of roughly 27. Chiang, chief engineer of China's National Earthquake Early Warning Project, the system can't predict earthquakes, but it can warn people when they're about to happen. Shoppers were forced to flee a 7-Eleven when the shelves started shaking and wine bottles shattered on the floor.
If you're interested in this kind of content and want to stay alert to future events, make sure to subscribe.
Do you have everything?
Yeah.
Let's get out further.
Yeah. Yeah, because if this building falls.
It's okay. It's okay, babe. Babe, just breathe.
We post constant updates to keep you informed.
Just breathe. It's okay, babe. I just need you to breathe.